Hello listeners, hello video viewers. Welcome to English with Alex channel. The topic number 8 is sea animals. Beluga, crab, clams, coral, cormorant, dolphin, eel, fish, flying fish, jellyfish, killer whale, lobster, octopus, oyster, pelican, penguin, seahorse, seagull, seal, sea urchin, sea turtle, sea lion, shrimp, shark, squid, starfish, stingray, swordfish, walrus, whale. Thank you for watching, bye for now, and see you next lesson.